John Vincent? John Vincent, what are you doing? No, baby, you got to work the soil. You've got to work the dirt. I would hear my grandmother say that so many times. Well, that's our topic of today. We're going to talk about doing some basic tilling or some basic cultivating. I will come by way of video in a few seconds and demonstrate some of these methods that my grandmother instilled within me. Hope you enjoy this video. Hold on to your seats. You may learn something.
Welcome to the edible urban backyard. Howdy. I do without tilling the mechanical way now because I've got raised beds, and raised beds makes it easier to hand till. You got to break up the ground, put good soil to have a good garden. I'm starting over here again with my ginger over here. They're not just getting started. They haven't started to come up yet, but I try and plant all the health food that I can possibly grow. I got ginger. Over here, got a little asparagus. That over there is artichoke. Over here, I got my green beans with spinach as a ground cover. My tomato.
Well, let me ask you something, Al. You said that you till your beds. How deep do you till, folks? This is a very important fact. Now, remember, good people, when you're cultivating, don't disturb your plant's roots. It can cause major damage to them. What you want to do is cultivate between the rows and break up the soil around the plants, destroying any weeds and promoting growth by soil aeration and water infiltration. So that's really what you want to do. So 2 inches is what is the recommended depth when cultivating.
Tilling will cultivate the soil 8 to 10 inches deep, perhaps even more if you are creating a new garden bed in an area where the soil is very poor. You can also till at a more shallow level of 4 to 8 inches when mixing soil amendments into your bed. This is ideally done at the end of the growing season.
Well, in closing, good people, I just want to let you know it's time for everybody to go to bed sooner or later. And it's late night, as you can tell behind me. And I wanted to tell you, these videos will get better, but I want to remind you, cultivating, you're going to take that little 3-prong hand gardening kit tool, and you're going to get not too close to the plant's edges. You're going to kind of work around them just to loosen the soil so the plant's roots can spread out and grow. If you're going to till, you're going to get that rototiller out, and you're going to dig about 8 to 12 inches so you can prepare your bed and prepare those top 3 to 4 inches with soil amendments. I hope your growing days and your growing experiences are great like mine have been. Until we meet again, be blessed.